running a full node on the Minima network is very easy. Just head off to Minima Global and front page, run a node. First off, you need to download and install OpenWebStart. Click that. Pick your operating system and download OpenWebStart. Once that's finished, go ahead and install it. This is the application which the Minima JNLP will start in, and your node will automatically update to the latest version using this. I just go with the defaults to speed things through. Once this is ready, finish, close that one, download the JNLP file, save it, and start that, and it will open up in the OpenWebStart. So now we will see Minima starting. It says starting Minima here. And you can also see this text. You can find your MDS password in settings, right? So once this changes to Open Minima OS, we can head off to settings and we'll see a password here. I'll mark that off, copy it back to the main tab, Open Minima OS. It prompts me now saying my connection is not private. I know that this is okay, so I proceed. The password here is the password that we fetched from here. Copy, paste, login. This one we connect to the network. Connections added. It will take a few minutes. Check the time, 13:04. Up here we'll see some numbers ticking up, and that is block height when it's syncing, and we saw that time was 13:04. So now we can see it starts ticking. 13:03, 13:04. So we're up to sync. Clicking this will start the health tab, and we can see the status is good. Right, then you can see some details here when it's filled in. Close this one. Now, when you have your node up and running, first thing you want to do is to back up your seed phrase. Right, so we head off to security. Go to manage seed phrase. Show it. This is strange. Took a while. Anyhow, hold, write it down, keep it safe. You don't have to take that one. That's just for show now. Once that is done, you can lock your private keys with an additional password, which you can set. So if you need to restore your node, or you see that your node is out of sync, you can go to restore node and make a quick sync if you need to update or synchronize your node with the chain. And you can also go to import seed phrase if you want to restore your node. Enter the IP and port number here. Next, enter your seed phrase. Next up is setting the amount of keys generated to your node. So basically your node has 64 wallet addresses, making it kind of hard to track who is in charge of the node and address. You can add keys here. But once you do that, you have to remember that number which you use. So if you're, for example, use 128 keys, you will need to remember that once you restore your node next time. Because if you go by the default 64 and you previously used 128, you might miss out on 64 of those addresses. So that's basically it. Now you're up to speed. Go ahead and explore the App Store, chat, or whatever. Start maximizing your staking your Minima. Okay, have a good one.